pointing instrument at these bizarre angles with all these articulating joints, I need to measure the depth, moving that down, tightening it up, and then I'll back it out as one unit. Move this whole contraption off the model. Get my points, my 3 stable points marked. The back of nail heads we've drilled into. You can see that. And now I'm trying to get that same depth by sliding this down. Okay, so that tells me I have that much more stone to take off from here to equal and mimic and mirror that little black dot and point I made on my dinosaur. If that makes any sense. It doesn't to me yet.